Thank you. All right. Dude, what, this guy, is he nuts? That's the highway, dude. That's the highway on-ramp. Be careful. It's the highway on-ramp to the Grand Central Parkway. Do people know how to read? When it's a big sign that says Grand Central Parkway. Are you crazy? Are you insane? Lima Juliet Mary 8527. There you go. Have a good one. Thank you.
No camera.
Hello. Excuse me, could you just hand that to me? Never mind. It's right there.
Serving is $2.99.
Yeah.
You could just that one out of it. C38. It's what's the name? Amira. It's that one right there. Okay. Shut the door, shut the door, thank you. Oh look, a nice big hole in the middle of the street. All right. Come on, turn, hit the gas. They have to come to a complete stop to turn a car. Did someone knock these all over? What? Look at this. Oh. Come on, go. Go, come on, go. Don't sit there in the middle of the street. You can't make this crap up. You can't. There's a convenience store and she parks. This is where she parks. Why don't you just park over there or park like even in front? Yeah, that's a bus stop, but jeez. That's where you park your car?
Small salsa roll with no ice. Small salsa? And your salsa with no ice.
Good. Yeah. That's some great parking, isn't it? Yep. Alex P. Two.
Yes.
Just these two. Good. Hang on, I gotta put it in a bag. You don't have any big plastic bags, right?
No.
I have my own. It's alright. So I have these. Alright, thank you. That heavy stuff in that tiny little bag.
Everything is more pointing out. Like I look at him more angry. I look at him.
He's on the wrong side. That's some parenting. There it is. Yep, race back and forth. That's what he's telling him, I'm sure. On the wrong side of the road, no helmet, going 100 miles an hour. Brilliant. This is genius now. Yep, it's a racetrack. There he goes. Yeah, kids. It's always these college kids. They think they're invincible. They got mommy and daddy's Mercedes and, you know, they're just speeding along, trying to impress their friends. Be careful, look for cars. There's the mother and there's the kids. I gotta make sure that no cars are coming. That's some parenting. I mean, how do you walk that far? You're a parent and you walk that far up and you're not looking at your kids, walking in the middle of the street. That's some parenting. You want your kids walking in front. Pay attention to them at all times. They're in the middle of the street. Some car could come flying around the corner and then, you know, bad things happen. Yep, race to get nowhere.
But there is a TV outside though.
Sounds like an important conversation. They gotta be on the phone at all times. Just like this one too. See, same thing.
On what? On the pad.
I'm bored, I'm just talking the phone. And they're usually talking about nothing, you know. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just sitting here at home, looking at TV. What are you doing? Well, I'm just walking around bored. That's why I called you, because I don't know what else to do. The last one, she doesn't have her phone because, you know, she's got food in her hands. Always on that phone.